This is how you fix your Levoit if it's not responding and is showing this yellowish orange screen. You will need to remove roughly 8 screws that I'm pointing out. The last screw that I'll point out is going to be a special screw, which is in a triangle shape. This one. I was able to use a flathead screwdriver that was able to fit into the screw to unscrew it as I'm demoing here. Once all the screws are removed, open the back panel and identify this controller I showed you and open it up and look at the capacitors to see which one is bulging. The one that's bulging is likely blown. You'll need to order that part and replace it. Here I have desoldered the blown capacitor and I'm placing in the new capacitor. Make sure you get the polarity right, and I'm going to solder it.
Here's a new one installed.
So I put the controller back together after soldering in the capacitor, and before I close it up, I want to test to make sure that the air purifier is working. So I plug it in and I install the front panel, which has a magnet that activates the sensor, and now we'll test. So it appears to be working. I'm going to go ahead and close it back up.